Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Japan. This came out of an Akama Noodles box from Meow Mall, M-I-A-U Mall. Meow Box Japan, M-I-A-U Box Japan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Get one of these Akama Noodles boxes. They're rad. I mean it. This is a Nissin Chikin ramen variety. This is a 18 spice curry, and this was one of the front runners to be in my it was one of my choices. I wasn't sure if I was going to do it or not. I didn't end up picking it, but it was maybe going to be number 5,000. But then it was like, I don't know. So I picked something else, which is completely not that. So let's steep and make it so. Loose stuff from the cup. Noodle block. Really curious about this one. Oh. There we go. And yeah, let's start the old timer deal thing. So yeah, it is Friday the 4th of October 2024. How the heck are you doing? So yeah, it's gross outside, really humid. It was dumping rain when I left. No, it wasn't dumping rain when I left. And then about 20 minutes after I was on the road walking, I had to walk to another town. We needed to renew our tabs for our vehicle, and 15-20 minutes in, it started dumping, and so by the time I got to Bothell, I was completely soaked. Got to the tabs place, got our tabs. See, if it's raining and you have to walk a long way, you should do what I do. What do you do? Well, what I do is I put any kind of like items that are like documents in a Ziploc bag in my pocket, and I also bring another Ziploc bag because invariably Ziploc bag A will become wet. So that's what I do. It's a thing to be done. So this noodle is interesting. This is like pretty much the first noodle I was really ever introduced to. It has its own flavor in it. You don't have to add this seasoning sachet. It's already got a really good flavor to it. That being said, then we'll add the seasoning, and I don't know what it's going to do to it, but yeah, the Nissin Chikin Ramen is the first instant noodle ever to exist. In, like, you go to the store and you buy a packet of noodles like that. There's been a little bit of kerfuffle about who invented the instant noodle. It's kind of funny because everybody thinks, oh, the Japanese did it. Ando Momofuku-san invented it. He did. That was his Japanese name. He was originally from Taiwan. Folks. But he left Taiwan. Things weren't going so well in Taiwan, I guess, but yeah. But yeah, today was the first day that I wore my coat. And the first day I got completely dumped on in a while. I found a receipt in my pocket from June, like June 6th, and I wore my coat to go to the store in another town. And yeah, so I don't know. Personally, I'd rather go out when it's like overcast and cloudy when it starts getting to this time of day a year than if it's like really sunny out. And that's because I'm like super light sensitive. That's why I'm always wearing shades in these videos. And yeah, so it seems like in the winter, late fall, winter, I mean, it already seems like it. When the sun is out and it's clear, it's bright, and it's like, it's hard enough for me to see already, but when you couple that with like making it really bright, it's like, it's mentally hard because I don't like not feeling like when I walk around I have any idea what's coming at me or not, or if it's okay to cross the street. I mean, real deal, you know. And I don't like not being able to see. And usually, if it's all that super bright, it's clear. It's like clear and cold, or cloudy, rainy, and warmish, or you know. So here's what we got. As soon as I added in that sachet, immediately got the scent of the curry. Yeah, I really like this noodle, and I wanted to do some form of Nissin chicken ramen for number 5,000, but this just didn't make me go, ah, that's the one. Let's give it a try. Ooh. That's pretty good. I kind of wish now maybe this wouldn't have been a bad pick for 5,000. I definitely am getting like that kind of Japanese curry where it almost seems like there's potato going on in this one, but I'm pretty sure there isn't. But it seems like that would be a good pairing for this. I really don't have a lot in line of... I didn't make any eggs. I'm out of eggs. Oh, there's some garnish. There it is. Yeah, I need to try that. Yeah, here's some with the garnish. Yep, a little bit of veg. I like that. That's good. Little meaty bits. Yeah. But I really don't have a lot set up. I got a couple of these ready for review the other day, and then I just kind of didn't do them yesterday. What was the deal with yesterday? I don't remember. I had things going on. Things and stuff. And you might remember from a previous episode I mentioned that we found one cockroach, and we called and told management about it. And they wanted to do all this stuff. They came in and inspected, and I don't think they found anything. They didn't leave a note or anything, and that was that. So that's good. So it looks like I don't have to like go crazy on the apartment and take everything off the shelves and completely dismantle the kitchen and all that. Really happy about that, because that would have been, dare I say, a real pain in the ass. But granted, if there were cockroaches, I would be more than happy to do so. Alright, where'd that go? Well, thank you very much for watching, folks. And the next one you're going to see is this. This is another one from Myojo, another plant-based variety. This is a yuzu shio. And I don't know how I'm going to feel about this one. I'm not a big fan of yuzu, but I love their noodle, and I'm guessing they wouldn't come out with one unless it was really, really good. So I'm going to give that a try. I'm going to keep it plant-based. I'm not going to add any meaty stuff to it. In fact, I've got a... Well, you'll just have to see on the episode tomorrow. It'll be fancy and neat and something new. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Stay dry. Have a good one. Bye-bye.